What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, after Hemin Mashaba announced Xolani Khumalo is the Action SA's mayoral candidate, EFF members, went left, right, and center, and they are not happy at all. They are absolutely angry, that Xolani Khumalo has been announced as an Action SA member. Well, you see, EFF, first of all, there is Naledi Chirwa, who posted and said, when you, Xolani Khumalo, when you were accused of murder and chased around by those in power, it was the EFF that showed up for you. But here you are today, you are joining Action SA. So they are saying, you know what, we are disappointed in everything that you've done and you've betrayed us. But the challenge that is there, if you see it, is that these EFF members, they feel like they somehow want to own every hardworking person. They have this kind of like maybe a sense of entitlement over other people, but people have a right, to choose who they want to be with. So some of these EFF members, they were saying Xolani Khumalo has entered like a very dangerous terrain, and all these charges that we once said against him, they are going to be brought back up, because he is now a politician and no longer a media personality. Because one thing that is surprising is that if he had been announced as an EFF member, as an EFF mayoral candidate, all these guys were criticizing him, to say, you've joined a dangerous terrain. They were not going to say that. They were going to be very happy, and say he is going to be fighting crime in Ekurhuleni. So you can see some hypocrisy here. Though